How to buy BNB agent token. So this token came under the symbol of BNBAI. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you want on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, this token is available on CoinGecko. Go and find it there. So after that, click on markets here. You will be able to see this exchange platform and decentralized exchange platform. So if you want to buy it on MEXC or Get.io, so for example, if you want to buy it on MEXC, if you don't have an account on MEXC, just go down in the description. You will be able to see a referral link. Go and use that codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. So after you create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT, click on this PayPath link here. And as you can see, you will be redirected to that trade page of that BNBAI token. So what you need to do here, just go and click on limits or market. In the limits, type in how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of USDT to be able to buy this token. If you select the market, drag this to set how much percentage that you will use of that USDT you have an account to be able to use it to buy this token. After that, click on buy BNBAI and you will be able to buy it on your account. So this is how to buy BNBAI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.